out here, you workless. Give me my suitcase.
So
Push up.
after all these years
Push
and
up,
all
give me
these
my
things, you're going to tell me something worthless, sister
Push up,
boy.
leave me alone.
Sister boy.
You can't go and go buy all of the front where you want to buy.
Sister boy, no make nobody tell us. No, sister boy.
Push up, leave me alone.
No, man. No,
Leave me
man.
alone.
Listen, sister boy. Stop no, man. Stop no. Listen, please, sister boy. Sister boy, look, man.
Push up.
Please, man. Look, no.
Push up, let go.
Left your bag, man. No, man. Left your bag, man.
Push up.
No, sister boy, man. No, man.
Let it go. Let it go.
Sister boy, you really are done with this, sister boy. Then I say I behave. Sister boy, look no, man. Stop no, man. Stop no.
£300. Yeah, my baby girl, £300 for you. Alright, next time. Alright. £200 for you. 200.
Yo. What? I tell you, say, you just not trust Sister Vi, you know. I trust her.
Yeah. Where's this other?
I know say she have some man, brother.
I don't know nothing about that.
Yo. You didn't call flower bag?
Yeah, man, I didn't call flower bag. I walks.
You know, say, it's a bicycle, I see the eye sell and I would want. I like it, you know. How much for it?
Price the money.
Yeah, but how much for it?
Let me know how much for it. Did I see price? Let's talk. How much for something, man? I don't have to tell her the price the money.
Just tell me how much for it bicycle.
But I'll take too long. 15,000.
15,000.
Look like I could carry it.
15,000.
Yes.
And I best price that there.
Yeah, best. You know, see signs say Black Friday sale. All the rest of them sell out. I cheap.
At 15,000.
Yeah, what? Me
You
not
don't realize that 15,000?
yeah, what go on? Me not have 15,000 still now. But me like the bicycle. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm interested in it. And I don't want to just keep it for me. I hustle up the money and carry it.
I don't know about that, you know, because if somebody come and give me $15,000 in my hand, I'm going to sell it.
Yeah, me I say, man. just be nice, man. You don't know me already, you know. I know say a bush my name.
I don't know yourself.
Say you don't know me?
No.
You're not gonna know me, man, cause you say fee mother. But make it stand. Yeah, just hold on pan a 1,000 for me. As a little down payment. Here. I hustle up the rest in the next 20 and carry for.
Alright, since you want to buy, I give you 2 wheels for free, yeah?
What I say, I get the 2 wheel for free?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so good sale, Latino.
A Black Friday sale.
Yeah, man. But yo, just yeah, man. Put on your sign.
So where I go this side?
No, man. Put on your sign, man. What? Yeah, me I say no. Don't sell it, you know.
But I sell you, man. I just put up the sign.
Alright, yo, come in, man.
But if you want to buy a side, you can buy a side.
Briggy, come on, Briggy, man.
Because you look like any you want to buy.
It's a good little bicycle, man. Cause watch out, man. We can use a little bicycle and turn over and make money. You understand? We can even sell little ice cream on it.
Picnic go school.
Yeah, man. We can even ride the car work too. Why they call me Punnany? I think my mother did tell me say my father did must love Punnany. All he talk about is Punnany and dream about Punnany. But he couldn't read. Maxie. Oh, what going on, Busha? Why am I there? You know, say it's a little thing I can check about. Why I don't know where you stay now. Come on, let me chat to you. No, man, I come. You want to say? I see one little bicycle I want and I'm short my funds. I don't know where you stay now. You say you can't lend me?
Aye. Tell you the truth, you know, Busha. Last time, I lent up some money and all, I'm not get it back from you, know.
No, man, I true one little thing that come up, man. You don't know how you park this. Sometimes you don't really get no passengers for load. You understand? So, where we get what, man?
Alright, so you hear me good? I don't really have, how much you bicycle?
I don't say. Yo, I didn't know much you bicycle again.
15,000.
15,000 what's it?
Alright, yeah, I don't have 15,000, you know, but I have $4,000 I did for full my gas.
4,000?
Yeah, I did put my stove gas done and I did for fully.
Yeah, man, we get it back, man. Because I want to use the bicycle and even try to sell some little ice cream or something about the place. Yo, at 15,000 I may get 4 and how much more it I want?
Lev.
You want to say it out? I want about 11,000. Alright, me try and also it.
Alright,
Yeah.
you remember selling me in the boss?
Yeah, man, no worry yourself, man. Here we get it back.
Alright,
Here we get it back, man. Because watch you now. We want to go on a little vacation. Me and sister boy, you know, because she have a little thing there where we want her birthday come up and we want to bring her up on a little thing. We want to go on a little vacation. You understand?
Alright, go ahead.
Cool out, I want hotel, book stay 2 nights or 3 nights. Me and her can drink some pina colada or something, some financial, something, you understand?
Alright.
Yeah, so.
Onion there, Irish there, carrot there, farm. There, me there, onion there, Irish there, carrot there.
Let's come, my friend.
Why pray?
Let's look at them.
5 bills.
That's some change.
Get some shit.
You know what I have to go and get lettuce from you?
Yeah, man, no problem. At 700 a pound.
7 bills.
Yeah,
When they are friends.
yeah, man.
Look at something, man.
Worry yourself, man. We can give you all 6.
Alright. Now come back with the money still.
Yeah. That's a 5,
That's all right.
7, 8, 9, 950. 1,000. Where the next one? Where you thought? 8,000. Alright.
Alright, thanks. I still come back feel like this, you know?
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
Alright.
Farm there. Onion there, Irish there. Cucumber there, everything there. Farm there. Farm there, me Irish cucumber, lettuce. Pop chai there. Sweetie, browning. I'm selling something now. No want nothing. Nurse, no want nothing today. Pot up. I'm selling something now. Come on the farm here, Well, you don't want nothing today. Got a little pop chai and lettuce me have. Right aside there.
Yo, Jerry, come on, Jerry. So we never there go link joke. Remember we not do all our money here?
No, man, we have to go work, man. Come on, man, we have to go work. I don't know one more. You have to catch a little early bird, you know. You have to catch an early bird, because you don't know how the park business go.
Pine there, everything there. Melon, a sugar. Me there. Where I pray? You're good. All right, me there. Away, Lexi there. Lexi, come in.
Yeah.
Punnany! What go on?
You know, say, me there. Are you me come link, you know?
Me?
Yeah, man.
Can't give me money.
Well, you know, say, me not so boss, but I come link, sir, because, you know.
Me?
But, you know, man, me buy one bicycle, you know, but
Mm.
I want to get some wheel feet and something.
You want 2 weeks?
Yeah, man, I want 2 wheel, man. I want money, me can save, me can borrow from you, man, but me give it back, man. Because hustle, you know, man.
Oh, I have bills.
No, man, I know $100 can't help me, man. I know $100.
$100.
A 2 wheel, man. 2 brand new wheel, man, get, man. And plus with the rim and something.
I will find that.
Eh?
I will find that.
I not just come and say count money, put the money in your pocket, man. Barnett, man, nobody with it, man. Nobody.
No, sir. I have $100 me have for a month, you know, say. My mom give me a tell me say I can't go buy a drink today.
Barnett.
Eh?
You just see you with the money, man. Nobody with it, man. Watch out, man. See you have the money in your pocket, Barnett, man. Me and friend, you know, man. Nobody deal with me, man.
Money I thought.
See you have the money in your pocket, man. Nobody deal
No
with
man, see that I want a piece of board.
No, man. See you put the money in
No
your
man,
pocket.
I'm a phone this man, I'm a phone man,
No,
My
then
phone
the
I
money-
mash up man, you see
Then
the
the
watch
money
it.
this a day.
No man, I be a paper man. No.
See money them.
Oh gosh, watch out, you know say God, God good enough?
Yeah, man.
No,
Yeah, man.
sir. This a one and a good man, this a fake.
No, man. Watch out now.
It's a
Then take
fake,
them down there, man. You will get back the money, man.
Eh?
You will get it back, man.
Eh,
You will get it back.
When may I get it back?
As soon as me get the wheel and something.
When. I only money me having. You see, me just finding in my pocket, man. Oh God, man.
I have a little partner come up.
Mm.
I have a little partner come up.
When I come tomorrow.
Eh? No, man. Tomorrow, Sunday. Sunday partner.
So today, Saturday. May I get it tomorrow?
Hopefully.
Nobody hide me, no man. Cause remember last time you hide me, no.
No, man. Watch out, man.
Hey, yo.
You get it
Me
back.
not like your style, you know, man.
Watch out, man.
like your
Man, me and your
style,
friend,
no,
man.
man.
Nobody try load up a thing, man. Just give me a thing.
Alright,
man.
me I'll give you half.
No, man. Just give me. No, man.
Me
Nobody
tear
teary.
now.
Nobody out teary for.
Me give you half.
No, man. Just give me everything, man. Me we get it back, man. Me a man. I'm
not trust you, man.
a man of my word. I'm a man of my word.
At that,
I'm a man of
I
my
word alone.
Watch out, man. Me even want buy the bicycle. Cause me want car. Miss boy go a nigga to go.
Full of
Go
story.
on the beach, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Cause me used to have some kind of drink some pina colada and then something me I miss dry. So see me, I miss boy. Cause a long time me and her there, you know.
Yeah. blow her out to you, man.
No, man. Watch out,
Yo,
man.
I can't trust them, you know.
You know, say you're right, boy. Because you know, say Miss Boy have some man. Because other day, me search her phone this morning. You know. And you know, say she have one man down at the cell there.
See, they may
She have one
tell
man
you,
down at
man.
the cell there. You know.
Me I tell you, you know.
Am I false? Because, you know, she, me always a give her problem, you know. Me always a give her problem with Miss Jennifer on the road there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, so me understand. But she have one little man down there. Just let me money, man.
I get it back.
Yeah, we get to that.
You make me nervous, though, man. Jesus Christ.
Barnett, man, you're a friend, you know.
100. You want the 100?
Barnett.
You get 100, you know.
Barnett, you know,
Remember, say this, I never know, say in my pocket, man. Oh,
Barnett,
God, man.
Barnett, you know, remember all the time when
Right.
a little boy, man, when they never saw some muscle up, man, and me show yourself you exercise, brother. Just give me money, brother, and something, man, and something, man. Just,
You
man.
can't get this at two brother, man. Oh, God, man.
watch out, Barnett, then we get it back, man. Look, come on. Don't worry yourself. You hear?
I check it tomorrow, you know.
Alright. Link me next Sunday from today.
Tomorrow, you know, man.
No, man, the next Sunday, man. Alright, now I don't feel like me have as much money, you know.
How much you have?
A little bit of money me have, man. Just link Winston around the road there and borrow our money from him. You see me? You know the money for him? Yeah?
Let me see how much you have. No.
Just get that money from him.
So how much you have?
One, three.
Let me count it.
Yeah, go on. I'm gonna take no. How much that?
Shot.
How much?
Shot, 2,000.
How much? So how much is 30? So just let me have money just out of where I have man. Me get back. 2,000. Just let me 3,000, man. Just let me 3,000.
2,000 you want?
Just let me money so man, so we can just get the bicycle, man. Cause you know, we can more use the bicycle so we can make our money, you know. You understand? Cause more invest in a little business and something. But do some ice cream or something. Sell some.
Can I pick them go school too?
Yeah, man, we can carry all the pick them go school too. So just let me money, man. Then we get it back.
Yeah, man, again.
Then we get it back, man.
Yes, man.
You understand?
But not when I go to school.
Yeah, man, then we get it back, man. So and we don't want nobody to ride the bicycle still. When we buy it.
I feel bicycle, man, along with you. I protect it, man. I'll Benz and change the bets. Keep all the name.
Yeah, man. Because you don't know you. Someone here asleep, man. I just asleep. Flower bag, wake up, man.
The man sleep on the job.
You know, say a bicycle will come for. Give me money there. You want to come feet, man. Tell us I'm serious, man.
You say we can't check. Hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much that?
4.
5, 6.
What do you mean 6? This a 500.
6.
Watch out, no, man.
7.
Just give man the money, man. Make him man count it, no, man.
8. 9. 10.
Yo, cause watch out, no, man. Just give man the money.
No. Put on the bicycle. When he don't count, you can't take up the bicycle.
Yo, flower bag. Me never disrespect you, no, man. I'm money me I spend in a flower bag.
So I know my bicycle. And my business is 15.
Alright, yeah, man. Come to you, man. Me all buy a juice in a flower bag, but you just disrespect me in a flower bag. Flower bag, you can't disrespect me, no, man. But where say this is good?
Yeah, man.
Alright. I freewheel, man. So take up the net.
If you want my bicycle, you can't come here.
Yo, Winston, come on, man.
If you never want thing, me with that.
They can't do nobody's.
More beer. I'm friend, more beer, I go. That's a more beer, my father. I'm friend, more beer. More beer, my boss. It's coming.
Sorry for them there, I'll take back.
Yeah, man. Yo, love passenger alone, man. Warm to you. There's some America.
Big man. Watch out, man.
Brother, move first alone. First passenger alone, brother. Warm to you, brother. Left pillar, brother. Yo, come in, brother. See, boss. Yo,
Watch out, man.
Yo, see, boss.
Watch out, alright. So watch out, baby girl.
Brother, man.
Come with, watch out, baby girl. Come with me. No, man, you have to go with him. Watch out, man. Them man. No, man. Watch out. One pillar can't work, man. Give me. Let's come now, baby. Jesus Christ, baby girl. I am Musa.
Come in here, man.
Yeah, the boss said nah, go nowhere.
Go on in, I'm friend. Take up a seat. Yo, go on, man.
Nah, go nowhere.
Yo, go on, man. Now.
Yo, dog, I want to tell the boss said my general partner, man.
Take up a seat, my boss. Take up a seat.
Yo, bossy. Watch out, man. Never front seat for you. Watch out, side one hot girl. Watch out, man. Side one hot brownie. No, man, watch out, man.
Yo, more beer.
Baby girl, you're wrong forward.
More beer. More beer. Why say more beer, yo? From you say you owe me some money to you, man. From you say you owe me some money, man. Me load. What?
Eh?
More beer.
One already, 2 and drive.
I'm friend, more beer.
One already, 2 and drive. Why road thin in the area, man?
That means say people ain't turn up, man.
Baby girl, you ready? No? Alright.
More beer.
My side, more beer. Stage. No there, alright. Take it easy, here.
No, man, that man ain't gonna know, man.
Nah, you say, am I where you go, my friend?
You see, I walk in for you, you know. I walk in for you, and man, yeah, them are gonna make it time.
Jesus Christ, you know the whole of people in business.
What you expect, sir? You want to go out one yard? My die.
More beer.
I'm over here, come with me.
I'm friend, more beer. Where's that? More beer, friend, more beer. Where you go?
I'm up. Watch out now.
You're not going to me.
Watch out. You know, come. I'm not ready.
I'm more beer.
That's
Where you go? White House.
Why road thin? You know, come.
Alright, so one Petersfield taxi right now. Come on. Yo, brother, just left you man alone, brother.
Watch out now. Mommy,
no,
front seat for your mommy.
Check board.
More beer, me and go, man. Anyway you want to go? You want to go south right now?
She good, man. A bad she go, man. All right, so she good.
Where we are going, man?
Over this. All right. Yo, Russian no give one money to give me. Russian no give me money. What Russian? I mean, when I'm here. Russian give money to give me. I go like you don't want to give me money, brother.
Nah, I'm going to oh yeah, though. I'm going to see nothing now, me.
More beer.
Tin. You ready, out?
Why evening I look sticky.
Ready? Eh? Father, man.
I'm friend. More beer, you go.
Come in.
I'm friend. More beer. Hello, no go home, no man. After hours now, go home. Where do I go?
See a flight here, baby.
The bus. Home I go. Alright, don't forget home, man. You don't want to know that's so late at evening time.
Yes, man. Writing out here, writing.
Go on home.
Yeah,
I'm friend. Mommy. White House.
Moby.
Yo, Seabird.
Sorry.
See, look where you go, man.
So, oh yeah, admire my eyebrows, so. See your one them pretty too. Come man, what you say?
No, man, left and friend. No, man, left.
Hold on.
No, man, come on. No, man, I'm for passenger this
I
time.
mean for see you, lady.
No, man,
I'm also lady. I mean for see you, You can't stand me them way there.
Come here. Come.
All half me I make you pay. I mean for see you, woman, you can't stand me them way there. You really gonna go with them man, yeah?
Come on.
Them man, you frownsy, you know.
Am I right? No, don't mention. Hold up your seat, yeah, my friend.
Well, go on.
Yeah, go on.
Bus are not going nowhere.
Come on.
My bus have been more passengers.
Yeah, just give me 50 money, make me go on here, man. Yo, you owe me friend yesterday too, you know.
Yeah, we know more passenger. Moby.
That's how you want, man. They always want to take for my passenger there.
Man, take it easy here. Safe travels. Yeah, man. See them can't stop. Why? You think you load your bus before me?
I'm friend, Moby. Moby, I'm friend.
No, she not go Moby, man. Airport she go. Airport I go, right?
Where you go, Tone?
One and ready, two and drive.
Moby.
Settings. Comfortable ride, cock up your foot.
Boy, I'm hungry and I'm like a cow and in calf.
After a hard day work, mommy, you want to go sit in and sit down in a little luxury and go home? No?
Yo, me I can go in.
Nah, go Moby. You're on the road, rough.
Yo, me I can go in.
Hold on, I try to catch a last one and I make a push out.
I'm friend, Moby.
My side.
Moby. Where you go, my friend? White House.
No, baby. Sure. Make it get a
alright,
comfortable
because them
seat, you know.
passengers
Right side,
they can't make party. Them passengers can't style me out there, you know. Look for me.
My side.
None of them passengers can't style me out there, you know.
Roughy, man.
Let me tell you that. None of them can style me.
So you making enough we can buy food?
Yeah, man, I'm ready, man. I look so. Yo, I can't go to paradise. Come on. Just come on, man. No worry about where we are, man.
I like go place to certain place.
Yo, look more here, man. No worry about where we are. Come on, man.
Two bills upon Fiam. Yeah, my answer for 2 bills upon. I baby love you, bye. 2 bills upon Fiam. Alright, next time. Next time, my love, next time.
Yo, I feel like if we buy the cash for the room, man.
Cash pot.
Yeah, I must can buy a little cash pot.
You know, mix up this cash pot business.
Yo, so where we go?
Where we are go?
Oh yes.
You never come and say yet?
Which part?
You don't know yet, so?
No, man. This.
This place is where man come and be nice, man. This is paradise.
You saw paradise?
You see here, so? Any money you have, you know, can make you happy. Yeah?
So,
This is-
I know borrow come for borrow money, yes, sir?
Borrow money? No, sir. This is original pink house. Yeah? You have money for you?
Me nah lend you no money in the ocean.
No, man. We don't borrow no money, man. You have condom? You have condom?
Yeah, I think I still have money.
Very good, very good, very good. Very good. Are they going? Come in. Come in, man. Let's be nice.
Ocean, you sure?
Come on, man. I'm to you, man. This is a place that, you know, man. Years me I come and say, you know. Pink House Boss. Hello?
Why, Busha? I love when you come in, but you come late.
You come late, so you say nobody not available.
About only 3 grams available, you know.
Only 3 of them available? One who available.
Think I want one little medium one, I want thick one, I want big one in there.
So,
Talk with you.
alright, more I want for fame, you know.
You want to?
Yeah. But watch out, I must say, me have some, me must say, I 5th time I come now, you know, so you say, when the 5th one, me get it on a little cheaper price.
Well, alright.
One-
8 grand free room. I give it 7 grand. No lower than that.
Free room. But I must say, I never so much, you never normally charge me so much for
Listen
room,
me,
man.
at Christmas time I come now. Understand? Light bill I get higher. Some
Alright.
extra money.
Alright, no worries, man. But him line up some money for me.
He must go pay 8 grand, you know. Because him just come.
Yeah, man, I just registration fee. To it extra $1,000 fee registration.
I know, me know what I talk about.
Alright.
Him new to the game, so. We say, ready for them?
Yeah, man.
We go for them, uncle.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. What you worry yourself for? You have money for you.
Christmas I come and want some money to fix a backside door and come get yourself to ready and press up yourself 2 man out there so.
With money?
Then I must with money, girl. Look here. Let me tell you this.
Come on,
You know what this name? This name is
man we have money here?
No broke man no come here.
Man, you talk about money. We not $8,000 for the spend.
Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. This place is... Listen, you're gonna get your money's worth. Yeah? Don't worry yourself, man.
No, one penny, stop in over.
Yes, when you see them, got Pink House Boss, always have the finest ladies. So when you see them, don't worry yourself.
Who's broke man, is it?
I don't deal with broke man. Come.
Go on.
Money is my name, yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Me tell you, say you go like them. You go like them. So what introduce me now?
Alright, this is Camille. See, butter and cheese.
Fluffy, we are talking about.
Tell them the
Exactly.
butter and cheese and that is roly-poly. I want them to roll you. So which one you want? Pick your choice, roll of them nice.
Well, you know how me stay though. Hey, I don't want
You
to...
take one?
Yeah, man.
No.
I like it.
Newcomer. I'm sure you're telling who you want because my man, I love it fluffy, you know.
Pick now, man.
Your friend,
Where
like,
you do
you
pick?
shy. You're shy. You're new to this. Like you say,
Anyways,
like,
I they go eat, you see?
Alright.
I they go eat. Come on. What's your name again? Roly Poly? Alright.
So which one you want? Pick which one now? We don't have time, you know, man. Fluffy, go on with him.
Grab me aggressive, yeah. Let's come.
Deal with him, Fluffy.
Let's go.
Come.
That side.
Your salt. Next time. No, you don't put in the salt. Come in your salt.
Listen, roly-poly. Alright. Me know, so me normally pay the boss. You understand? So, I want for your price, you know.
You really want to know my price?
I mean,
Give me a 50. Christmas will come up.
50?
Yeah.
50?
I could have got 100 no. But through you come here after me, I take a 50 a fight.
No, you know, say honestly, me never really come with too much money. You know, nothing better than that.
No. A business me I do, me can't.
No, I understand your business you're doing. So just take off something, man. Me a hard working man, you know.
I'm a hard working woman, you know, if I work me have to put in there, sir.
No, but watch you know. Even if you give me upon a price, next time I can make it up, man.
There's no next time.
So
And no, today, tomorrow, or next time. Alright, now we are dealing with so 50 now. Take it or leave it.
Take off your clothes, no? Take off your clothes, man. When we done do it, me tell you the price. Come on, that sheet, come. On that sheet. No, we not. Hold on, no. Jesus. But hold on. Move your hand, no. Just wait, no. What your name? Just wait, no. You don't hear me name out there, sir. Come, on that sheet. What you mean by hold on? Come, ready. Right now. Ready right now. Pull your pants. You can't leave me a little bit easier, nicer. Come, on that sheet. Yes. Come.
Which part of it go?
Pull on your pants, no?
Jesus Christ, I need me so.
Pull on your pants.
Wait, no. Aye. Wait, another so. Jesus Christ. It bite at you.
today a Black Friday, you know. I mean, I have them the money, them. Just do something for me now.
You see me, I celebrate Black Friday. You see me, go buy nothing. You see, like how today a Black Friday, I know the price will go up.
Roly poly. Look. Watch you know, I'm in Busha, you know. Everybody around us know me, you know.
Take it or leave it. One of them. You
really,
take it or you left it?
I really have the money there still, because I never know say as them the price it there, you know. Because the last time I come around here, I had 5,000.
How much you have?
I have 5,000, yeah.
Eh?
5,000.
You really coming here, so? Come buy for $5,000.
Then that's the normal price, normally.
Go on to Carmel or Fluffy, go ask. Go on with them the money. 50,000 and up, nothing.
No.
Not even 20? 5 grand? You're a joker. You don't want nothing.
I understand, you know, I respect your service. You deserve it more than that. But I just $5,000, man.
No woman out there sell for 500, you can't go and write this, so no come here with it. Go on.
Roly poly, you don't have to be so salty with me, you know.
Go on. About 5,000, not even 20. For do.
So I can't get nothing for it. I can't get nothing for it.
Me look like a sweets girl. Do I look like a sweets girl?
So Roly poly, you know, no service we offer we can get for the 5,000.
Yeah, one service me have, you know. You can't give me 5,000 if I buy a drink and get the hell out of here. That's the only service they hear. So if you want to buy me a drinks, that's fine. But anything else, 50 and up.
So alright, what me get with the 50,000 then? Why come with?
The whole package.
What's the whole package?
Anything you want. But if you give me 100, let me see, 100 I can maybe get me can go home with you and spend the night. And you get free night and in the morning too. But now if you know 50,000, You know you wicked. You always come here.
Alright, roll it, Paul. I'm not see if nobody on a better price, because this price are ridiculous.
Yes, go on.
Alright.
Go on.
Take care. Sorry for waste of time, right here.
Yes, with a 5 grand self.
Alright. Big boss!
Oi! What you say?
You know what I say? You know what I say? Come and me talk to you.
What's wrong? Money I talk about you. Come.
You know, say, even man on this, I tell me one price, I mean, I like.
What kind of price that? Remember, say the girl, they make them price enough. Me no business about them price. Me only business about the room.
You man say no? You man say no? You know, say me a man, me always a come here. And you know, say me always spend money. But them the price, me can't spend them the price. You know, no better.
Well, all no books is still in her room and I feel girl that day. But one man having like, you know, saying something good so feel man lock him down. And one day I can't take him. Head part kind of right it so I can go out with him.
So you say name?
I can't me call him, but I name call me. Go out with him. Just go out. Don't cheat.
Carmel.
Oi, business.
Hi.
Hello. You say your name Carmel?
Yeah, cornmeal.
Cornmeal? Okay. How much you go for? How much you go for?
Much I say you have now, what you can do for yourself? Talk to me nice, because some money me looking in the end.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, badness come
on.
on.
I want to 3,000.
3,000?
3,000.
Put something up on that, man. Me have one nice little special, one nice little 5 grand combo. You talk to me nice.
5,000 combo?
Yeah, everything. They say.
Alright, you probably can't work with that, man.
Forward, no man. Now you talk to me now. Forward. Yeah, go on. You have condom?
Yeah, man.
You better come.
Condom, go on.
Me have my condom, as a matter of fact. Me I use mine.
Oh, you have your?
Yeah.
Alright, Pink Boss, look more here. Alright. No, we don't have no problem, man. Thank you for your time again. Here. My broke self. Alright. Jerry, I want to hear Jerry. Come on, man.
Places I can come.
I want to hear my youth.
What kind of places I can come, my youth?
I want to hear.
She rough.
She rough.
Rough dog. When the person treat me bad.
She might have a cool bump to backside. Brother, you're a man, brother. You can't make that little man.
No. She slapped me.
Alright, yo, let me tell you. Tap a ball, let me talk to you. You see around that stuff, you have all kind of women. You see, you have them for all different reasons.
So why one way and you want to kill me, get?
Me? You know, see, I pick if a pan and go gone, but she not give me no still. She have a ridiculous price of in her work. But me get a better deal. But as me I say, you pick that thing, but yeah man, what she do?
She slapped me.
She slap you?
She forced me upon her.
Force it? I say, yeah man, you know man, then know say you go upon a machine like that, they must be prepared.
I know something see it in a movie.
Watch the show man, come on man.
You can't tell nobody, you know.
No, sir. You know, I not tell nobody, brother. Run so it's paradise.
Watch your man, brother.
Today was good. Today was good.
Yes, today was good.
Who on there? Oh, him still there asleep. Awesome. Oh, what? You must spend extra money?
Look, so.
Oi. Wake up. Where are the number place, eh? You have spent extra money? You have spent extra money? Eh? You have spent overtime, this mean over money. Come out and place. Come out and place, you get too comfortable? That's why your name Pink House. Look here, if you don't have money, don't come here, you get too comfortable. Hold on. We need to talk to you over here.
What happened?
Look here. You say Christmas will come.
And?
You don't want to go home with some money? Eh?
No worry about me, my money live.
Listen to me.
Me have two rich somebody that come. Me can't take them the broke look at 5,000 away. You look like me a 5,000 a girl.
That's me I said too.
Stop it over there saying no. Look here, me charge 8 grand for the room. And whatever price you want to make for yourself, me no business. But you must try to see if you can work so money can Christmas a come.
Look
so
here.
if it's a 5 grand you take, you need to know if you start out your thing. So if it's 5 grand you say for 2 minutes, you make sure say him come in 2 minutes. You understand me? So if you do 3 man, that is 15 grand for the day, and if you do 1 more, that is 20 grand. How much money you can make for the day?
Me don't tell us something already. Me not deal with the little man them we only have 500 or 5,000. If I get one 15,000, 20,000 or so, more say nothing. But $5,000, come on now, bossy. Come on, man. You can't do better. Me know you can't do better.
Exactly.
You get all 8 grand for your room now. Just a room, you know. And you want to take 5 grand for my property.
Listen to me. Me know say my room look good. In there look good. In the proper and set up right. Air conditioner, everything in there. So you must know your word. If you're something good, you must price it. You understand me? But you can't do overcharge. No, it's not so your work. You can't do overcharge. Not on my time. And me alone do overcharge here because current bill, light, water bill, land tax and all these things, and me have to pay it. You understand?
I true if I girl them where you have your coward, you know. And then one of them are crackhead that you a crackhead making go like the boy there, you know.
Yes. So me have to start get some more crackhead here.
Exactly.
Because it's too expensive. So
yeah.
Like the crackhead girl will just go. Me have to get 2 more and she and me could go on.
So
do that
now.
Because you want to start my food. You want to start my food because when you hitch up here, you are take up space, you know.
Let me tell you something now. I hear something there and me now live so till me say me where they live.
Oh, okay, let me tell you something now. And me and the boss here is this part and me and the boss and me tell the time everything what's going on here. You understand me? Let me tell you this. This place is mine. So if you not make me make no money, you have to go. Remember me tell you that.
Get rich man and then you get all the money in the world.
You don't talk. Me don't talk.
Come here, bossy. Come here. Alright now. Why you not get our man with have more money?
Here.
We are woman, you know, we need money, you know.
Me no control the man them will come here. Me don't control. Any man can come here. How me fi control the man them come here? All thing me no want know say no madman no come here. Me no know them pocket.
Well, I need to go out and try find out them budget before.
But no, wait, no. But that be a broke man I can come here. Only one where me he broke too.
Me can man come here. Me only put up the sign Pink House, so it attract man. Me never say broke man. You see broke man pan it? Talking true. The other girls them when they here.
Well, no.
Why you so sad? Look on the other girls them when they here. And be a big food them chop. Why you can't chop big food too?
Yeah, boss, you know.
Look on Sandy and Mackerel and them the girl they. be a big food then chop.
Go do what you want to for it.
What I mean, right now, Johnny in the room same way, you know. And me know say when Johnny come out, him a give me one extra 5 grand for my money. So who am to uno?
How much you make for your body? How much you make for your body?
Me not depend sale and money me collect.
Okay. Exactly. You not do nothing.
No go on.
But this a game I should have give you real money for you, man.
Me not give nobody my money. I come go and like say, actually don't know say me I'll go little with the mother and make him man put him out of here so when I pay rent for, you know. Exactly. He better calm himself. Cause me go little with that the man for free and make him put him out. And calm himself in that room there.
If I did real money, me just have everything for the Angia, cause I don't know why she a go on so.
That's all you're good for. Seriously? Every minute you come here, you eat out the fitness snacks. So what you for have to eat?
Sister boy. No one can rank with me. I'm telling you. I think I know that I would waste time. When we give money in there, what do you think we give money to do?
You listen to yourself? You're crazy? Me I talk about you eat out the picnic snacks every single day. What you for eat? If you a feed pan our food? And you're not even day or night time. What you there road at do night time? Huh?
You know what? I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this, sister boy. I'm gonna feel like shit. You can't disrespect me now. You think somebody there road at night time I waste time? Me I try to hustle. So me can take on to your shop and get some money. You think not there waste time? Huh?
You're damn right you waste time. Me not think, me know that you do.
All I do is make nice in here. That's why I'm not telling you, you know. Because when time me there road and I walk and I come in here, I'll be nice.
So you not move out now?
Right.
Move out now?
See what you pay attention to. Your
my phone. And you pay attention to road, yeah. Is what?
Then but you have some man in there texting out.
Listen to me. I don't know argument with me. Like I say, stop eat out. Me pick the food. Me pick the food. Stop eat it out. Walk, please.
I'm gonna walk around.
Yeah, go on now. Yeah, where the money there? You for left money. Where money there? Yeah, walk at night time. And if me thinks you're idle. Alright, so you walk, you come home now. Where the money there?
You still get money. You still get money. The money when you have, you spend it on a bicycle.
Bicycle. Not even one little car. One Pro Box, one AD wagon. We have a child. You feel at least start drop her
You don't say I want bad. You don't say I want bad man, no man.
I can't bad man for bicycle.
As soon as me buy a bicycle, now you start to have problem. Eh? No progress me I make. What you think me I do? Me did a walk and now me buy one bicycle. What problem? Next me probably can buy one bike or something. Eh?
Me ask if you could save enough for buy a car. Me can bad mind for bicycle. One more ride up and down with you on bicycle for me look like clown. You make money and you hide it. And that's the issue, you hide it. And you never have money for give me yet for me or the picnic. And that me I talk about.
So me forgive money. Look punish now. Me for go out, go work. So hard. And then I come in and something. All me get is cussing. No little loving, nothing at all. And then me say me have woman live with. Eh? We can't even get no pum pum from him. And you come in and argument with me. Hey, listen to me now, sister boy. You alright, you know.
You need for her, but hold on. I like me say I ain't no more chattings with you. But you have to left money today. That's all I know. You have to left money today.
Sister boy, I have no money, man.
You have to left money.
Are you me did want borrow one money from? Cause I have no money for pay no fear. No tax. Yo.
You see bicycle where you buy? Take it ride it. And if you can't ride, push it downward.
Tell Jesus I'm not there. Jesus.
Where you hide from Jesus for?
Just tell him I'm not there, man. Tell him I'm not there.
Busha! 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 Hey, Busha ne? Eh?
Jason, I'm tired to repeat myself. I'm not there.
So, are you on there?
No bother with. No bother with.
Eh, me no bother. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Stop, man. I can't believe you're foolish now. My auntie come visit. I can't let her eat.
Which auntie that is?
My mother's sister.
My mother's sister?
Yes.
What's your name?
Shirley.
So me no know.
Just stop now.
Yeah,
You can't come in.
I feel me, you know. Eh? Watch it.
Stop now, you're
Hey.
Like, stop.
Yeah, Busha, I see him thing, you know.
Stop with the food.
I be a chicken and trick me. Come on.
Man,
I'm coming in the house.
Just stop. Stop.
I'm
As
coming in
much
the
as
house.
I love you, come in. My auntie is here.
So she not good.
Yes, later.
What time?
I don't know. Come check me later.
Take me one time, no man. Come on.
No, around 9, 10. You can't come by 11.
No, I come.
Late night, you know.
Wow.
Chill there for a while. I don't care.
So Busha come back then?
No, I'm not care. I want to
True,
spend time
yeah,
with
man.
you.
More money. Now
I
walk up.
understand.
Walk
I
up
understand. I don't
money.
know why Busha borrow money from me. Honestly, I can't do nothing about the
Yeah,
situation.
you know, so regular I do this, sir.
Me know.
So like, you know, give me now if I go work out, you know.
So me, to pay you myself. Back
No.
to what Busha do.
No.
What you tell me for?
Eh?
What you tell me for?
I feel we working,
You
that
tell me
man.
we are spending for me and you.
Eh?
Enough to pay back Busha debt.
Okay.
Now use me.
Alright. Me take that one there and then me come back and check Busha.
Anyway, so you come check me later.
Eh? Me want come. No.
You can't. Stop it now. Stop it now, Jason, man. Let me make you come back later, right?
Later. 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
2 knock, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, I want Busha, yes, man. Wait. So me I come back later, you know. I have to get film workings, you know. I work for some money.
Him gone? Yeah, him gone. You see you're workless. You just a walk around and a borrow money. You borrow money from me, you know. And you go borrow money from Jason. I know about 3 other people you borrow money for a little bicycle and a little old brook.
Sister boy, calm down, man.
I calm me down.
You hear me I say no? Me don't want nobody to come on my yard so early, you know. Cause when time I go borrow the money, me never go around the yard so early and me don't want nobody come here. So
And
next time, just tell him say no for come back when me not there.
You face the panta pie too, you know.
You hear me?
You borrow the man money and I hide in my house. And have the audacity. Fear talk about saying no for coming yard early. You pay back him money. I'm want my money where you take from me.
One wish money, sister boy. Watch out, man. Oh, me I go survive. Eh? Remember say me I hustle, you know, man. And when time my money come in, you know, you spend it and buy food, you know. I market a work, you know. Them the little money the way I come in with arm to you.
Don't touch me. Bush, you ever stop it? You ever stop it? People are gonna kill you, know. Remember, I'm tell you this.
Alright. Someone can give me like a pum pum then.
Listen to me. You're not get none. Listen to me. You ever stop walking by the people and stop stay down at transportation center.
So,
You not do nothing for yourself more than walk and buy them and kill you. Remember me tell you this.
and me, I load bus money I feed you, you know. And I take care of the bills, I mean, so what I try to say.
I'm grateful.
I saw
Not
pump
touch
pump
me,
me
man.
forgive me.
You're too workless.
To you.
Not touch
You think
me.
say me I work hard for nothing? Eh?
Bush, go on where you go. Go on the road now.
When time I come in and want like a pump pump, me I come tell me, boy, you're tired of.
You still a chat.
You forgive me pump pump, man, because you think say me I work hard for free.
Everything a pum 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 pum. You can't take care of me and you can't take care of the picnic. But pum 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 you want every other day. It cannot work. It can't work. You have to go do something. Because right now you're not doing nothing for me more than borrow. And that's for yourself.
Watch out. Miss sister boy, come here, man. Sister
No,
boy, sister
no.
boy. Look here now. Me I gonna bring one of them chocolate ice cream the way you like it. Yeah. Me know you like it chocolate ice cream, man. Watch out now. I want shot man a little funds. Yeah man, I shot man a little funds. Just beg you a little money. You so get it back.
Man, I have it.
Sister boy.
Me nah have
Remember say a Friday tonight, you know.
Me, nah have it. Make it even worse today on Friday. No food, no day in the house, you know.
Sister boy, me see when you put down your money in there, sister boy.
No money in there, no
Watch
pum
out.
pum in there either.
Look. Sister boy. More set up a bicycle, you know. You know things that more carry got a Negro girl, more carry got it on the little beach, tell me promise you.
Don't disrespect me. A woman like me for the on bicycle with you.
Watch out. No, don't worry about that, man. We so buy a car, sister boy, man. Don't worry about that, man.
Busha.
Watch out. More carry go down a Negro on the beach, on the sun.
Busha.
Go drink some pina colada.
Busha.
Hey, come down, girl. Just
You not tell me nothing what to make me feel good right now.
look now, man. Just give me money, man. That's the bicycle the wheel them want to buy.
Go put on the bicycle. I don't have any money.
Sister boy, stop come now, man. Me know say have it, man. Me see
I
it
don't
last time.
have any money. You're not getting any money. I go buy food today, Friday, tomorrow, Saturday. I need grocery. I don't have any money. And like me say, I not a pum pum. Go on where you go.
Come like say on my place. Eh? Yo.
Wagwan.
You know so me buy them wheeler from somebody. But they not good. So, I left them over here. You know what I know say? The one born it. After me borrow some money from him, I tell him say I want to buy the wheel them. See? Come on my yard. Early. Me not like them sitting there, you know.
No man, no dirty style like man. So man come here so early for.
Because me borrowing money and I tell the man say me so give me it back, brother.
Yo, what dirty style them style man. Man fi set appointment and then them a come off with them up.
Right now, me here, man out there, me here, my woman a laugh. And I don't trust that woman, you know. Me not trust her. You must she a laugh. And then, me I wonder, if that's one of the reasons, she not give me no pum either.
Boy, I mean, I wonder if him a really share him there. You know, say. You serious, you know? What you gonna do about it?
Hear me I tell her, man. Me I watch her, you know. Because I say if she ever make me get mad in this place, a problem, you know. If me ever know say me I work so hard, I carrying money coming here, and for she, I lay down in here and I have man for me. You will hear about it. Because you don't want me lose my temper, you know. And she don't want, yo, hear me I say. Just lend more money that so I go down and stop them. When I come and stop you can link me. I go down and park there early. I want to look something more and deal. Just lend me money there.
Me flat like a tire. Flat.
I saw you going in the dog. You see you?
Me flat, brother. Then you know, see, so we not load no bus, some too much bus like you see there, brother, man. You know, see that? Depressing. That's why I never like come out today right so early. Me I go to catch up, build up a little bit.
Alright, yo, look come on, yo, just get your over here there for me.
Alright, man.
Yeah.
Watch one, man. You see?
Yeah, man, just put a here over here there.
Alright. I see you one over there now?
Yeah.
I don't watch man. I don't watch one thing here. Alright, yeah, man. Turn on my yard.
Where you go?
Excuse.
Wait, sister boy, what is this?
What you mean, what is this? Me not stay in here so with you.
Sister boy is...
You not have nothing to bring to the table. Me tired.
So sister,
Can't do it no more.
sister boy, what all of this for? Eh?
Can't do it no more. I not have time for you go back and forth with them. I can't. You not bring nothing to the table. The money where you make, where you're supposed to use it for provide goods for we. It we are depend upon. You take. I got pink house. And I spend the money upon them girl they down there so. I buy front. Busha?
Wait, no, pink house, me no know nothing about no pink house, sister boy. Sister boy, look, me no know nothing about no pink house. We are talking about pink house.
Busha, I see the smirk on your face. Do I look like I'm joking? I go down a pink house when my ear say down there. But by the time I reach your left, and they never want to let me in there because them know.
Sister boy, man look like man, you know, sister boy. It's not me.
Sure.
I wasn't down by no pink house.
As what me say.
Sister boy, listen, this not call final, sister boy.
Sorry. But we can't depend on you.
Listen, sister boy, look. Come here, me talk. We can't make this up. We can't make this up, you know. Listen, me never go down on no pink house. Me I tell her the secret. Me I tell her the God that's living truth as me still right as a sister boy. Me never go on no pink house. And nobody can tell her say this. You see me down a pink house, sister boy. Me not even know no pink house. Pink, I be a green, blue, and yellow and orange looking color house about the place. What kind of pink house you talk about, sister boy? Me, Busha. They tell us they say Busha a pink house. Eh?
Busha, you got jokes. You got jokes. You do nothing for me and my child? That me I ask you. You do nothing for me and my child?
Sister boy, what you mean? What you mean if me I do nothing for then what me I do? Me not work. Eh?
Busha, you buy front. You and your friend. You bring your friend them go pink house. So whenever you want go there, me get my facts straight. Busha. Me an idiot, and I not go turn you so with you and suffer and dead for hungry. Me I go back a country like me say, this through with. We done. Find the next girl for come out.
Sister boy, look here, sister boy. Look, sister boy, just look.
I said, stop it.
We can't
Do
talk
not
about
touch
this,
me.
sister boy. Look. We can't talk about this, man.
Busha, I said don't touch me.
Nobody draw their attention. Look. Come.
Busha, let me go. Busha,
Just give me the bag, man.
Busha, let me go. Let go for the suitcase, Busha. Let go.
Sister boy, this no call for, man. Me just look, no sister boy, no call
Busha.
for. Look.
Busha, I say
Sister boy, me love you, no girl. Me love you, no man. Stop that, man. Me love you, no man.
Me can't eat love. Let go.
Sister boy, stop that, no man. Look, sister boy, man. Look, man. Me not take this, man. Me not take this, man. Just stop that now. Stop that, man. Me not take this, man. Just come go and back over, man. Where you be so far? Me not take this, man. You mean for them to see me, I go tell you, see me a pink house and you go left me for that, sister boy. No, man, sister boy, man. Do better than that, man.
Give me my suitcase. Give me my suitcase. I am not staying with you. You're workless. Give me my suitcase.
So
Push up.
after all these years
Push
and
up,
all
give me
these
my
things, you're gonna tell me something what this sister
Push up,
boy.
leave me alone.
Sister boy.
You can't go and go buy all of the front where you want buy.
Sister boy, no make nobody tell us. No, sister boy.
Push up, leave me alone.
No man, no
Leave me
man.
alone.
Listen, sister boy. Stop no man. Stop no. Listen, please, sister boy. Sister boy. Look man.
Push up.
Please man. Look no.
Push up, leg.
Left your bag man. No man, left your bag man.
Push up.
No, sister boy man. No man, left.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Sister boy, you really are done with this sister boy. Then I say I behave. Sister boy, look no man, stop no man. Stop no. I'm money have make you behave, so alright. It's alright, sister boy. It's alright. You're gonna see me rise back. You're gonna see me rise. Oh. Everything good, man. I'm money have, man. Yeah, you see, a fool she take me for.
Yeah, I'm see, man.
Eh?
Yeah, style up.
I said she see me do, man, and I lie, she I lie. Not go so.